Mom! Yes, dear? We're out of toilet paper. Grab the jar of money, go to the store, and buy a roll. I'm just a kid, but okay. Welcome to the everything shop where you can get everything you want. How can I help you? Hi, just want to purchase this one roll. It's super weird that you're just purchasing one roll. Usually people purchase a pack. But anyways, it's gonna be
1 cent.
Here's what I have. I don't know how to count money. Oh, I do not touch money. Too many germs. Step on over there, watch the videos, and then come back when you've learned how to count money. How many more of these videos do I have to watch? I know what to give you now. 10, 20, 21. 2 dimes and a penny. 10, 20, 21. 21 cents. Yippee, you figured it out. Yeah. Today we're going to be learning about money, 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 money. Money. And a lot of this should be a review for you, and you should already know, because what do you have in your desk at school that would help you with money? Your piggy banks, right? Your little banks for the Fennell shop. So we did this all year long. So a lot of this should be a review for you. So the first coin that we're going to be learning about today is the penny. And the penny is the easiest one because it's a different color. It's made out of copper and it's worth 1 cent. And you guys see that little C? It's a C, and then it has like a little thing going down the middle, a line going down the middle. That just means cents. That's the sign for cents. 1 cent. A nickel has Thomas Jefferson on it. You may remember that from our school year too. And the Monticello. And a nickel is worth 5 cents. Now the dime is another coin that's easy to recognize because it's the smallest one. And the dime is worth 10 cents. On one side we have Franklin D. Roosevelt, and on the other side we have a torch, and I believe one of these is an olive branch and another type of branch off of a tree. So here we have the penny, the nickel, and the dime. Penny's worth 1 cent, nickel's worth 5 cents, and the dime is worth 10 cents. Let's begin. Okay, so let's do some poems to help these coins stick in our head. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. How much is a penny worth? 1 cent. Yes, 1, 1, 1. Here's our nickel. How much is a nickel worth? 5 cents. Very good. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. How much is a nickel worth? 5 cents. And one way that I recognize a nickel very easily is the Monticello in the back. Here's the dime. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. How much is the dime worth? 10 cents. Yes. So that's all you have to know today. You have to know that the penny equals 1, the nickel equals 5, and the dime equals 10, because the rest of it are things you already know that include adding and subtracting. Let's begin. Let's review their names and their value one more time. So what is this? A penny. It's the easiest one to recognize because it's a different color. And does anybody know what president that is? Abraham Lincoln. And if I turn it around, it's the Lincoln Memorial. And in there is a statue of Abraham Lincoln. So fun fact, fun trivia fact. The penny is the only coin that has the president on both sides. He's on this side and he's on this side. What coin is this? It's the nickel. Very good. How much is the nickel worth? 5 cents. Very good. We have Thomas Jefferson on one side, and we have the Monticello. I just like to say it like that. We have the Monticello on the other side. Okay, last one for today. What coin is this? And this is our diamond. You know, if you had this, you'd actually be able to see um, that this is the smaller one. So it'd be very easy to identify because the dime is the smallest one. So here is the dime. Here is the nickel. Here is the penny. And the penny is very easy to identify because of its color. It's worth 1 cent. And the nickel, I'm sorry, the dime is very easy to identify as well because it's the smaller one. Okay, so the first thing we need to do when we have a variety of coins is order them from highest value to smallest value. So here I have 3 nickels and I have 3 pennies. I know that nickels are worth more than pennies, so I'm going to put those first. Then I'm going to put down my pennies because they have the lowest value. After I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and count on. So here I'm just counting on by fives. 5, 10, 15. And then here I'm counting on by ones. So after 15 goes 16, 17, 18. 18 cents. That's one way you could have done it. Another way you can do it is put the coins that are the same together and then create an addition problem. So for example, these 3 are the same. 5, 10, 15. These 3 are the same and they're worth 1 penny. So 1, 2, 3. 5 plus 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring down my 1. Write a C with my line. 28 cents. Okay, so here I have a dime, a nickel, and 2 pennies. The first thing I'm going to do is order my coins from biggest to smallest. So my dime is worth 10 cents. I know that one's the biggest coin. Then my nickel, 5 cents. Then my pennies, 1 cent. Now I'm going to count on. So this is worth 10, 10. Then I'm going to count on 5 more. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm at 15 now. Now I'm going to add on 1 more. 15, 16. Going to add on 1 more. 17. That's 17 cents. Another way you can do it is put coins that are alike and then create an addition sentence. So a dime is worth 10 cents. A nickel, I have just 1, is worth 5 cents. Pennies are worth 1 and I have 2. 1, 2. Then I'm going to add 5 plus 2. 5, 6, 7. Then I bring down my 1. 17 cents. Okay, here I have a dime, a nickel, and a penny. So I'm going to order these from highest value to smallest value. My dimes are worth 10 cents, so those will go first because they're worth 10. They're worth the most. Then my nickels are worth 5. Then my penny is worth 1. That one has the smallest value. So one way you can do it is by counting on. So this is worth 10 and this is worth 10. I'm going to count by tens. 10, 20. Now I'm going to add on 5 more to 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I'm at 25 now. Going to add on 5 more to 25. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now I'm going to add on 1 more to 30. 31. So that's one way to do it. Another way to do it is create an addition sentence. So you would put like coins together and then put them in an addition problem. So here I have dimes and 10, 20. 20 cents worth of dimes. I have 2 nickels, 5, 10. They're each worth 5 cents. 5, 10. And I have 1 penny. 0 plus 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 31 cents. In today's lesson, you're going to see a little coin purse. And in the coin purse, you're going to see little circles with a letter on them. N stands for nickel, P stands for penny, and D stands for dime. If I were you, I would go and find some coins in your house, if you have them, and actually pull them out and solve them like that. I'll show you what I mean. So the first one, nickel, 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 3 nickels. So I'm going to actually get 3 nickels. 1, 2, 3. And then penny, 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 3 pennies. 1, 2, 3. I would actually get it out. Practice counting real money. And remember, we always start with our biggest number. My biggest number is my nickel, and it's worth 5 cents. My pennies are worth 1. So 5, 10, 15. I counted by fives because those are all worth 5. Now I'm counting on ones. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. That's worth 18 cents. Let me show you another way to do it. So I'll put it all back together just like this. The first thing I would do is pull out all the coins that are alike. So here I have a nickel, here I have a nickel, and here I have a nickel. 5, 10, 15. 15 plus, here I have a penny, here I have a penny, and here I have a penny. Pennies are worth 1. 1, 2, 3. 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 1. And then I'm going to add my little cent sign. The answer is 18 cents. Counting money takes practice, practice, practice. So make a game of it. If we were in the classroom, I would make up a pretend shop at everyone's desk. I would make it into a group project. I would say, this is worth 30 cents. This is worth 27 cents. Pay your partner. Find a sibling, find a parent, find someone who will play with you and ask them to make up an amount of things around your house. How much is this bag of sugar worth? Did you say 37 cents? Let me get that for you. Practice counting money. Make it fun. Make it a game. There are so many fun ways to do this. And if you want to share your fun ways of how you practice counting money, that would be great. For now, keep everything under $1 just so you can really get the hang of practicing coins. All right, guys, see you next time. Bye.